Welcome back from Graphic Extras. In this video I'm just going to show you a new application called Font Pestle. Bought it a couple of days ago. It's available via the Mac App Store, and just quickly go over to Font Pestle, and the whole functionality of the Font Pestle is to take a true type font or other type of fonts. I'm certain I've used it only for true type, so I can't really say about other, and then turn them into PNG. Well, take the various designs within the font and turn them into PNG files, PDF files, etc. For my purposes, the key things are PNG and the PDF documents. So it comes with a selection, very interesting. Choose a template for your symbols, and there's a selection of different options here. Well, I haven't actually tried them, so maybe they're very good, but I'm actually using the thing mainly for my own files, because what I want, I'm just going to go and open, just go there, my documents, fonts, abstract fonts. I've got about 200 plus different font sets now available on Graphic Extras, all with thousands of different designs in. So I'm just going to select one of these. It's just got fonts, true type file there. Just takes a few seconds to open the file. Yeah, and there's a selection of designs. Obviously you can expand it out. Now you've got a font size option. You can also change the fill colour, so you can actually, instead of going with just black, you can actually change the colour of the various designs when you export them to PNG, etc. So well, you can actually see all the various designs. So you have an option for font size. Now notice one thing, that the PNG file export unfortunately exports currently to just 64 by 64 if you select font size of 64, and obviously that's great, but not so great if you actually want to use them for brushes or other things like maybe patterns, if you want to export them 3000 by 3000. But anyway, you obviously get around that by doing the export to PDF, which of course PDF files are vector format files, and they can be imported into Photoshop and used as a brush or pattern file. So there's a little bit of a workaround. So I'm just going to quickly show you the export, and it gives you a number of options. As I said, it's fonts, license, etc., various other things, name tables, PDF, PNG, and of course you could also, if you wish, TIFF or GIF. Well, there's a reasonable selection of different formats, vector and raster format. So now export, obviously give it a name. Just going to go up to my desktop, don't want to put it to, and just select that folder, save, and it's fairly quick. I found it fairly quick and very useful. So I'm just going to now go over to the various things, and there you've got PDF, got all the files, as well as PNG files. So there's all the PNG files that have been saved via the application. Okay, well, I've actually found it a very good tool. I found it very useful. I mean, it's version 1 at the moment, so hopefully in the next version, I assume there will be one very shortly, hopefully, there'll be new features, I'm certain, and hopefully ones that resolve that issue, certainly for me. Obviously the PNG size, that would be very, very useful, but I've certainly found it does exactly what I want. It just saves the files to separate files. Just great, perfect. So I would suggest check it out on the App Store or Mac App Store. Anyway, hope you found this of interest, and that you'll subscribe to the Graphic Extras channel. Thank you much.